We're at Birmingham Curzon Street Station today for the first day, the official commencement of the piling operation, which will put 2,000 piles, concrete piles, in the ground over the next 12 months.
We did an event at the start of the year to kick off the start of main works construction. Through the 9-10 months since then, we've mainly been enabling the site. We built a reinforced retaining wall for the railway, the West Coast Main Line that's next to the site. Since then we've been excavating away the site, and now we're able to start piling the foundations of the actual station itself. So we've got two types of piling at Curzon in general. We have a secant pile, which is what's actually happening behind us, and it becomes a waterproof wall that then allows us to excavate away and form the basement of the station. The second type of piling, which we have a lot more quantum of, is bearing piles, and that's what the station itself will actually sit on and will be finished in the middle of next year, which will allow us then to move on to the next stages of the substructure and foundations for the station.
It's fantastic to be here to witness the progress that's been made. It's going to be a fantastic station. We're going to be the only city with a high-speed rail connection to our capital city, London.
So what Curzon does in terms of regeneration of this part of Birmingham, in terms of bringing HS2 right into the city centre, so the first mainline inner city station for over 130 years.
So we can see the Curzon viaducts down in the distance there at the end. The station's about 600 metres long from more or less where we're standing down to those viaducts, so it's going to be a vast station, and it's a nod to the Victorian architects. We're going to have this wonderful arched roof, and it's going to link the south and north of Birmingham together, and everything around us will be developed as part of the urban realm to really bring this area to life.
So actually what we're building here is a transport interchange. So in terms of bus provision, tram provisions, so what you get from the HS2 arrival is a whole series of additional modes brought together at the Curzon Street location.
I know that it's already attracting investment, it's already creating high-skilled, well-paid jobs. When it's here, we'll be attracting more jobs here, more investment, and it's going to make a massive difference to the lives of people across the West Midlands.
I work down on site, so coming here every morning is quite exciting. It's not your usual place of work, so it's fun to hear the piling rigs actually start up and hear all the lorries come through. Working with HS2 is great. I get to go to so many different sites, loads of experience, and a great team to work with.
Yeah, we're ecstatic. You know, this is a huge milestone for us to get to this point. We started actually a day ahead of our forecast. We've got all 3 rigs on site, that's what we forecast. They're working at peak productivity now, and that'll lead us nicely into the rest of our operations in January.
So it's fantastic. I'm feeling a massive sense of pride across the whole scheme about what it is we're achieving.